Hello everyone, today we will see insertion sorting with Python. Now we have unsorted list A. Now we will apply a for loop. Again we will take a inner loop which will start from the first element of the unsorted list A. Now take a variable which will be the 0th element of the unsorted list for first iteration. Okay, if the 0th element is greater than first element, we will swap this element. Now we will swap the element ak comma aj equals to aj ak, and this will apply for all the rest of the element. Now we will see the result we have done with the insertion sorting. Here we have the result. List is sorted. That's all. Thank you.